Hello guys, welcome to our channel. I have a surprise for you, and if you all want to know what is the surprise, you have to just watch this video from start till the end. Simple, right? So without wasting much of your time, let's start the video. By the way of this channel, I will share my entire journey of learning a guitar from day one and share you the exact problems faced by the people while learning a guitar. For learning a guitar, I will use an app called Yousician Guitar. Here we go.
Hi, welcome to Yousician Guitar. I'm James. I'll show you around. Let's get started with holding the guitar. Put the curve down here on your right leg and lay your right forearm on the front of the guitar so you can reach the strings. Take a moment to adjust so it feels nice and comfy for you. Now guitars have 6 strings. This thinnest one here is number 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, and the thickest one is number 6. Let's try plucking string number 6 with your thumb, like this. Okay, now let's learn to get in tune so we can play some songs. To do this, we'll use the Yousician tuner. It listens to you pluck the string and tells you what to do. In this case, I need to tune down. To do this, I'll trace my finger along the string to find the tuning peg it's connected to. Now I'll pluck the string and turn the peg towards me to tune down. Looks like I've gone too far, and now I need to tune up. I'll pluck the string and turn the peg away from me to tune up. Just a small turn will do it. When it gets to the middle, it's in tune. Remember to make sure you're plucking the right string and turning the right peg. Let's try it now. Tune string number 6. Well done, you're all in tune, ready to go play.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any suggestion, you can comment down below and share it to the native ones who is willing to learning a guitar. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.